Hello everybody, today we're going to introduce to you is how to create a new location, aka new warehouse. First of all, please go to inventory and go to location and click new. If this so-called warehouse is maybe at UNOS, I'll put E001 like the ID, and the name I'll put UNOS warehouse. Okay, the rest of the information you can depend on you whether you want to key in or not, but please do not tick this inactive location unless this is a so-called inactive warehouse already. You don't want to use anymore, then you can tick this. If not, if you tick it when during the selection, you can't see this warehouse appear. Item cannot be sold or shipped from this location. If you tick this, which means this is a reserved warehouse. Okay, this will be the reserved warehouse. So you have to depend whether this warehouse, whether it's a reserved warehouse. If this, you have to tick this. So once everything is okay, you just need to tick okay. And when you come to transactions, you will able to see our location is appear at here. Okay, thank you.